Waiting patiently, waiting patiently. Eat. Nestle, that's not your bowl. Oh, your bowl's over here, Ness. They're all chowing down on their big dinner. See? Nestle eating her food. Sierra's eating her food. There's your Bubs. Bubs! Say hi, Bubs. Of course, he ate his potatoes first. And then there's the Cocoa Face. Cocoa Face, what are you eating first? Your papitas, of course. Oh yeah, Mama's already done with her papitas. Now she's eating her food. She ate half a salad. Okay, bye.